Begin with a tabletop pose where your palms are in line with your shoulders and knees in line with the hips. Adjust and align your palms and knees. As you inhale, lift the head up and bring your lower back down. As you exhale, bring your chin to the chest and raise the middle back up. Repeat slowly. Observe the movement of your spine and try to sync it with your breathing. With each inhalations, your chest is expanding, and with exhalations, your core is engaged. To release the pose, inhale and return spine to neutral.